Asaduddin Owaisi ji.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, it is not the stringency of punishment that matters, sir, but the certainty of punishment that will deter the perpetrators and will protect our children. I would have loved to support this bill, but with a heavy heart I have to say that I cannot because of Section 4 and 6. I do commend and I appreciate the concern which the Honourable Minister has for the ministry and the cause she represents. Sir, this imposition of death penalty, it fails to consider the nature of child sexual abuse and it endangers children, sir. Why I say this? Because the NCRB data says, as many members have pointed out, 94% of the rape victims of this penetrative sexual assault of children, the victims knew this perpetrator. Now what will happen, this death penalty, yes sir, the death penalty will serve as a pressure upon children and their families. And in the end, when the trial comes, they will turn hostile. I have been responsible, I have seen 3 cases, I have dealt in Hyderabad. It became 2 of them became very big issues. Basing on my practical difficulties which I have seen, I am putting forward this view, sir. Now, especially the impact of reporting child sexual abuse by children with disabilities, that is where the problem lies. And the third point, sir, this POCSO, the proposed bill, it fails to consider a significant number of cases registered as statutory rape. Now, sir, this is below 18 years. If someone engages in a consensual sexual relations, there's an empirical evidence study of National Law School and Center for Child and Law of Delhi, Assam, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, sir. It found from special courts that the prosecutor admitted to a relationship with accused. In Karnataka, it was 21.8%. In Delhi, 23%, Maharashtra, 20.5%, Andhra Pradesh, 20.2%. And how will you prove it now? The prosecutor himself accepting that we had a consensual sexual relationship, that is another problem. I hope the minister replies to it. The government data, sir, National Family, National Family Health Survey, 2015 and 16, 26.8% of all women are still married by the age of 18 years. Again, this will be a problem in the death penalty. Sir, many special courts are awarding minimum sentence and maximum sentence exception. Why? Because the judicial discretion is taken away. I know for a fact this is happening, sir. So yes. Another 2-3 points, sir. Now this, because of Section 33(2), every question has to be given to the prosecutor and to defense lawyer. With this stringent imposition of death penalty and imprisonment and remaining life, that will not happen, sir. And now, sir, conviction for child rape, sir, has really declined. Sir, please.
The speaker has one special
2 minutes, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. I am raising some uncomfortable questions for the government and the minister to answer. Please allow me to do that, sir.
Please, have
Sir, this bill does not talk about victim witness protection program. The minister in his reply, other house said she'll give 474 crores.
Please don't quote the other house.
Sir, I'm not quoting, sir. The Supreme Court have turned a PIL, a sumo to a PIL. Will the government give all the financial resources the Supreme Court had said to establish exclusive courts for this? And lastly, sir, look at this act, sir. Look at this act that if a crime is committed on a boy of penetrative sexual assault, the sentence is 10 years, for a girl is 12 years. Why is that? So that is why, sir, I have to oppose this act. I hope the minister sends it to a standing committee for further scrutiny, sir.
Thank you, Shri Owaisi.
Please watch Tulasi News.
Please subscribe to Tulasi News.